Okay, this was a new client for the Signature Silk Press, and she was just so sweet and beautiful spirit. And so she's about 3 months post relaxer, not sure if she wants to transition or not, but she got the Signature Silk Press, and I was able to get her roots straight with the blow dry, my special technique. And so she's still sitting on the fence about transitioning, but she got her ends trimmed, deep conditioned, and silked out. And I'll let her share in her own words her experience.
So I want you to feel your hair and the roots. Feel how straight it is.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. I haven't felt this great in a long time.
That's
Get
good.
my hair done. Oh
That's
my
good.
God.
We just getting started.
Oh, this is good. You have no idea. Oh, my husband's gonna be so happy.
Nice, conditioned all up, shaped up, and you ready to rock and roll.
I am ready to rock and roll. I am so ready to rock and roll. This is, my husband is gonna be so, he is not gonna know what to do with himself. This is so pretty.